Alright, for question 9b, you do exactly the same as question 9a. In order for you to solve this, you will have to expand everything out first and simplify and bring all the x to one side and the numbers to the other. So let's expand them one by one. So you know that I have to expand this, but because there's a plus sign in the middle, it's still not so bad. And then I have to expand these two brackets. Now, these two brackets are the easiest because if you look at it, it looks like this pattern, a minus b, a plus b, which should be quite familiar because there's a special product and this should give you a squared minus b squared. So from here, you should have identified that your a is actually 5x, your b is actually positive 4. So the other side, let's do a normal expansion. So you get 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1 repeated twice. The plus sign is there, 4x plus 7, and 4x plus 7. Now on the right hand side, as we know, we just have to do 5x squared. Make sure you put the bracket, minus 4 squared. So let us expand this on the other side. Remember, break up first bracket, keep the second. Break up first bracket, keep the second. Now remember what I told you, when you have addition or subtraction in the middle, always put a big bracket when you expand the second part of the expression. So here you distribute out and you should be getting this, right? You'll get this. Now you have to put your plus and open the bracket, and now you distribute the second part. Alright, and then open up the bracket on the right hand side. Remember, you get 25x squared minus 16. Alright, because the square goes to both the items inside. Now carry on expanding. You should get 9x squared minus 3x plus 1, because minus times minus. Keep the bracket. Alright, so you expand this out. Maintain your big bracket. Simplify things first. So you get 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. And then because it's a plus, no need to worry so much, but never mind, we'll just keep the big bracket. 16x squared plus 56x plus 49. And then the other side, you got your 25x squared minus 6. So carry on expanding. So you get 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. Plus open up the bracket, so you get 16x squared plus 56x plus 49. No difference. And then on the right hand side, it remains unchanged. Alright, now at this part, maybe you want to simplify certain things first. You have your 9x squared plus 6x squared, which is 25x squared. And then you also have your minus 6x and plus 56. And you have positive 50x. And then you have also your plus 1 plus 49, which will give you plus 50. And the rest is the same, 25x squared minus 16. Now this part, you need to bring all the numbers to one side and all the alphabets to the other. So let me keep my 25x squared here, and also let me keep my 50x over here. Now I have to bring my plus 50 onto the other side, and I have to bring my 25x squared onto my left. So remember, whenever you bring things over, you have to change the sign. Okay, so this becomes negative 25x squared, and the other side, your minus 16 will stay, but then instead you got minus 50. So simplify it further. You realize that there's 25 and 25, that will become 0. You're left with 50x equals to negative 66. But you only want x, so you have to divide by 50. So you just 66 over 50 and use your calculator, and you should end up getting x is equals to negative 18 over 25, or you can also write x equals to negative 1.32. Either one is fine. So this, your answer is done.